In this episode of Corn Fed Boost, Ethel goes out for a meet. And some driving, a little bit.
My head.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here again as always. Today is cruise day, so I've got Ethel here getting ready. If you aren't following the Facebook page, I posted an event on there for a cruise. Sort of a bit of a meet and a cruise. So I wanted to make a small little video out of that. Hopefully some nice cars will be turning up and I'll get to meet some of you guys. And hang out and have a bit of a chat, and then we're going to cruise from the location in Brisbane down to the coast. I'm going to take some photos. I might overlay some of the photos at the end of the small video that I make of the day. But yeah, I've just been out here getting Ethel ready, gone over it with some wash quick detail shit, clean it all up. Tied it up all the inside, gave it a quick vacuum. If you have a look in there, it's all nice and clean. There's no more wires and shit dangling around anywhere. So yeah, it's just about time to get going. So I'm gonna go ahead, move the car out the front, load everything up, get myself ready to go, and then I'll come back to you guys once we're there.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving with the revolution.
Alright, oh, that's it. That's cruise done. I've just gotten home, got the car back in the garage, literally, the gates are still open. Get the bonnet back open, a little bit of that heat out. Yeah, so I want to give a huge thank you to everyone that showed up and endured the heat with me. Wasn't as big of a turnout as I was expecting, but I'm still happy for everyone that came. Thank you to those guys that did, and hopefully the next one will probably be a bit bigger. Hopefully the next one will be a lot cooler too. I'll try and set it up or organise it for sometime near and around winter where it's a little bit cooler, not as hot. The car did alright. I did mess with one of the settings in the ECU for the IAT earlier, so it was running richer than what it normally is, so I couldn't really beat on it, even though that didn't really stop me those couple times. But the bottle didn't get turned on and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully, I haven't gone and seen any of the footage yet, so hopefully small video came out alright, and I'm going to go through all the photos that I took of the day, and they'll all be up and loaded on the Facebook page. So if you want to see the photos from the day, head over to the Facebook page and catch them there. But yeah, it's going to be back to filming as normal from me next week. Got a couple of little things on this that I need to change. I want to set up the catch can a little better. I'm gonna try and cut it open and change a couple things, change up the baffle and put some steel wool in it and weld it back together. So I'll probably make a small video on that, and then that's about it really. The no lift to shift switch is still being a little iffy, but it seemed to be working alright today. And I gotta fix up the fueling side of things so that it's not running so rich, but I'll do that when I'm at roll racing. So the next video you guys will see from me on Ethel will probably be out at roll racing at Queensland Raceway. Until then, you guys will probably see a bit about what's going on with this. It's back in the shed, and I'm getting some stuff going with it. So you guys will find out about that in an upcoming video. But for now, that's going to be it from me. Thank you everyone again who came out on the meet. It was good to see you all there. It's good to meet some new faces and see some familiar faces there. It's a shame it was so damn hot. But yeah, it was a good day. And yeah, that's going to be it from me. Thank you everyone for watching. Please leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to unleash the boost, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Nice car.